Well, went to Guitar Center today and picked up this called a cajon throne. It's a little pad that swivels that you could just put on a cajon. I'll have it, the LP or the other cajones I have, the Pearl or the Mono cajon, I can use it now and just kind of have a padded seat as I'm playing and sitting on the cajon. Also picked up a smaller tambourine to put on the 10-inch djembe stand. Also a cowbell, more cowbell. So now I've got the cajon throne I will sit on while I play the cajon. Also use it as a seat as I'm using the 10-inch djembe, along with the new little tambourine sound I got, the cowbell, the djembe, and the rim block. So check it out. So swivels too, swivels on here, so kind of interesting. But cowbell, I know you want more cowbell. Look at that. Cowbell. And the small tambourine over here. You can hit it with your hand too. And then the rim block, of course. But here's the, with the cajon brushes, what the little 10-inch djembe sounds like. And then you've got the cowbell. More cowbell. And then you've got the little tambourine. Tambourine and cowbell.